Good morning, friends. Today is Tuesday. I didn't post anything yesterday because I needed to work on some other things, but today we're going to talk about different kinds of birds. So I know earlier in the month I posted the sounds that they make, but now we're going to talk about their names and we're going to match them, and I'm going to tell you some fun facts about each one. So, you ready to get started? All right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning today. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning today. Yay! Mr. Edwin's blowing outside the leaves, so pardon the noise. All right, you ready to count to children? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yay! Good job, friends. Do you remember how many days are in a week? I heard it. 7. Good job. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 I always switch between clapping my hands and patting my knees, so I'm just doing both nowadays. And today is, what did Miss Rachel say it was? Tuesday! And today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. What shall we do? What shall we do? We shall work and play. We shall work and play all day long. All day long. All right, friends, are you ready to start lesson? Okay, let's go. Little birdie, what's your name? What's your name? This is he's upside down. A pileated woodpecker. Pileated woodpecker. A pileated woodpecker has black and white feathers, a red head, and he uses his long beak to make holes in trees. How cool is that? Can you see him okay? A pileated woodpecker. Pileated woodpecker. All right. Ready to keep going? Let's go. Here, let me make sure you can all see these really well. All right. Mr. Birdie. Oops, I started singing it wrong. Sorry. Little birdie, what's your name? What's your name? This is a yellow warbler. Can you say yellow warbler? Yellow warbler. Yellow warblers hop on branches looking for worms and bugs. They have big black eyes and bright yellow feathers. Yeah, a yellow warbler. All right, let's keep going. Little birdie, what's your name? What's your name? This is an American robin. Robin. Robins eat worms and berries. They migrate north in early spring, and they have orange feathers on their chest. Robin. Robin. All right. More? All right. Little birdie, what's your name? What's your name? Ooh. Blue jay. Blue jay. Blue jays make different calls to confuse other birds. They like to eat nuts and grains, and they have blue and white feathers. Blue jay. blue jay. Okay, we have 3 more. Little birdie, what's your name? What's your name? This is called a northern cardinal. Northern cardinal. Northern cardinals have pointy crests and large beaks. They like to perch on low branches to look for food, and they have red feathers. Northern cardinal, or just call them cardinals. All right, 2 more. Little birdie, what's your name? What's your name? This is a Baltimore Oriole. Baltimore Oriole. The Orioles like to eat bugs and worms, but they love oranges too. They make pendant nests and have orange and black feathers. Baltimore, I keep wanting to say Oreos, so I keep saying Oreos, but I keep saying Baltimore Oreos as one word. Batorio. A Baltimore Oriole. Miss Rachel messes up a lot on these videos, so please forgive me, friends. We have one last birdie. You ready to find out which one it is? Little birdie, what's your name? What's your name? Indigo bunting. Can you say indigo bunting? Indigo bunting. They like to eat seeds and insects. They like to perch high in trees and sing really, really loud. And they have dark blue feathers all over their bodies. Indigo bunting. All right, now that we have them all on our rug, because remember, friends, when we take work off the shelves, what do we need? A rug. That helps your other friends know that this is your work in your space. Can you show me your kinesphere? Do you remember? Where's your kinesphere? Kinesphere. Your space. Kinesphere. All right, let's see. What bird is that? Do you remember? The yellow warbler. So I'm going to put my warbler right here. Yellow warbler. Let's see, which am I going to get out next? Ooh, it's the beautiful red bird. Do you remember what it's called? The cardinal. I don't know how well you can see him, but cardinal. I'm going to match my cardinal. All right, Miss Rachel's doing pretty good. Let's keep going. Oh. It's the pileated woodpecker. Where do you think that one goes? Does it go here? No. Does it go? Oh, I know. It goes here. No, silly Miss Rachel. It goes here. Here. All right, let's see. Ooh, this is another beautiful one. They're all beautiful, but some of their colors just really stick out on some of them. Blue jay. Blue jay. Oh. Right here? No, it just happens to be blue as well. Oh, here's another blue one. You think it goes there? Yeah. So I'm going to match my blue jay to this blue jay. All right, let's see, we have 3 more. Robin. Robin. Kind of looks like the Oriole, but it's not. They just kind of have the same colors. Robin. So we gotta make sure. Is it this one? No, that's the Oriole. my robin, my picture. All right, we have 2 more. Ooh, the indigo bunting. Remember, it looks like the blue jay because it had blue colors, but it's not. This one's all blue. And a little bit of black on his feathers, but no white like the blue jay. Indigo bunting. And we have 1 more. It's the oriole. So that means if we have 1 left, that means there's 1 card left. Oriole. I'm gonna put it right here. We're gonna match. We did it! Yay! Good job, friends. Thank you so much for helping me match. Couldn't have done it without your help. You're doing great. I hear you guys answering all the questions I'm asking. All right, let's say goodbye to our birdies. Goodbye, pileated woodpecker, or you can just say woodpecker. Woodpecker. Goodbye, cardinal. Goodbye, oriole. Goodbye, blue jay. Goodbye, yellow warbler. Goodbye, robin. And goodbye, indigo bunting. Now, Miss Rachel posted the other bird lesson with the sounds too early in the month. I guess I did it just to give y'all something fun. But this would be the week if you're actually going along with me and doing these videos. Wednesdays is usually if I do a listening sound. So today I would do this lesson, obviously. Tomorrow do the bird listening, because that's what I'm going to do in the class, so I'm not going to re-record it. Thursday will be Music Thursday. So just play one of the other videos again, because I haven't found anything new yet that I really like, and we obviously do the same ones over and over so the kids can learn them. And then Friday, I will post felt board, which will be bird themed, and I might do 1 more flower, but I'm not sure yet. So look out for a video on Friday. All right, bye friends.